Hello and good evening. This is Mosab Mustafa from Gaza. I'm going to read for you a short piece of writing that I wrote last summer about the hot weather and electricity cuts that Gazans have been having for 10 years. I couldn't sit at home and charge my laptop or watch TV and follow the news of the 18-month-old boy who was burnt alive by some settlers in the West Bank and the subsequent death of his father. If the family had lived in Gaza, some probably would have said that they were actually burnt by the heat of the blazing sun. Since the power was out, my family and I went to the sun-drenched Jabalia beach. I was astonished by how quickly my little brother took off his t-shirt and pants and jumped into the sea to cool his sweaty body. I sat on the sand, watching and listening to the lapping of the waves. It reminded me of the drops of rain falling on the rooftops in the camp's destroyed houses last winter. A sudden gust of wind blew some sand into the air. A small boy turned over to prevent it from blowing into his eyes. I glimpsed Handala drawn on his t-shirt. When is Handala going to grow up? He has stayed 10 years old since Naji al-Ali drew him in 1947. The Palestinians got older and then died, and still Palestine is not free. Al-Ali said he would not draw Handala's face until Palestine was an independent state, but the artist was murdered in 1987. I wondered if one day I might be able to return to the original land, now called Israel, from which my big family was expelled. Could Jaffa's orange tree, palm trees and vineyards dissipate the sun's intense heat? As I write these words, the ink of my pen smears and sweat from my face drips onto the paper. I wash my face with the water we keep in the fridge, but the bottles are getting warmer and warmer due to the electricity shortage. When night comes, the fans and lights will not switch on, not even to read a novel for a bit of escape. I will go up to sit on the roof. If I'm lucky, the moon will light my pages. If not, I will use my mobile phone's flash light, assuming the battery is charged. If all else fails, I will try to sleep, hoping to wake up to a better reality, or at least having nice dreams. Thank you very much.